over the limit. Majin Buu, meet Jiren. Welcome back to another episode from the Fusions Countdown. Tonight we're gonna draw Jiren and Super Buu fused into one. Tonight we're gonna draw Buuren. As you can see by now, Buuren is a fusion of Super Buu and Jiren. Oh, trash! I already told you that. My bad. What was it you told me, Jiren? That power lies beyond strength. You want to see the other fusions that I drew in the past? Then you can go to those as well right after you finish this. He looks like one of those aliens from, let's just say, War of the Worlds. All credit for this episode goes out to Unreal Gaming. And just picture this. If Jiren was a Pride Trooper on Universe 7. Hold on, that might have just picture this. If Majin Buu was on the Pride Troopers, that would be so cool!
Looks like we got here in time. Oh, hey. Vegeta. What?
Here's his arm. This is my next guy.
Buuren?
Buuren, actually.
Things that don't exist.
Oh, it will. Just in case. Just in case they fight the biggest fusion ever faced.
Whether they ever fuse, how would they even fuse? They would need the gods to give them the earrings. And let's be real, they're not going to give Jiren an earring, because Jiren's an all-powerful, basically deity.
Yeah, but Majin Buu can fuse with anyone by absorbing them. Basically,
Yeah, but Majin Buu is, I don't know if
you would have to borrow Jiren's power in order to become the being that he is now. Plus, I don't know how to explain this, but even though Majin Buu is almost at the level of Jiren, they might have to join forces temporarily.
Majin Buu is not at the level of Jiren.
I know, but
Majin Buu tried to fight what's his name, Beerus and got absolutely destroyed. Remember that?
Yeah,
In
but what
Super?
about that fight against Basil, huh? He definitely creamed him.
Yeah, but he can't beat a destroyer, and Jiren is considered to be stronger than some destroyers.
But if two destroyers like Beerus and Champa were to fuse, Majin Buu would have to fuse with Jiren just in case.
Dude, if Champa and Beerus fuse, there is literally nothing besides for Zeno that could beat them.
Oh yeah? Let's see about that.
All right here, bro?
I feel like I've seen that before.
Well, yeah, you've seen it.
Anyhow, that's how you draw Buuren. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later, and stay tuned for more Dragon Ball Fusions. All credit for this episode goes out to Unreal Ed Gaming. See you soon.